Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a short little clip here on a recap on this truck that I did the FlowMaster exhaust on. You know, I did a video, I put a video out, but I was putting a 3.5-inch FlowMaster exhaust on this truck. Yeah, man, I got a chance to get this truck out and drive it. One, it sounds really good. I'm really happy with the sound, how it came out. It was an easy do-it-yourself exhaust. Couldn't find no muffler shop that wanted to do, they didn't even want to do 3-inch, let alone 3.5-inch. But anyways, I used a Shorty Pro Series muffler from FlowMaster, and man, it sounds really good. I got it out, I drove it today. I actually filled the tank with gas. This is the reason why I'm kind of making this video. I filled the tank with gas. I tripped my odometer. I had to go down south, a few of my jobs. I put some miles on this old girl today. I run it up to 176 miles on the same tank. It was on the rear tank of fuel. I don't know the capacity of that. I think they're maybe just a little over 14 gallons, maybe 15 gallons, but I put an even 14 gallons of fuel in it, and it was full. But yeah, I went 176 miles. I'm quite happy with that. Prior to me doing the exhaust, now don't get me wrong, I did an EGR delete on this truck, and I put headers on it, and then I put the full FlowMaster exhaust on it. Jay, did we do anything else? We just did the EGR delete, right? We did the air pump. Oh, and we got rid of the smog pump. So we took all the pollution off it. Now, I live in Florida, so we took the smog pump, took that pollution off it, even got the pump itself off, cleaned the engine bay up. I'll pop the hood on that thing real quick, but just kind of cleaned everything up. I did put a set of headers on it. I put a full FlowMaster exhaust on this thing. It sounds great, but prior to that, the best fuel mileage I've ever gotten with this truck. And I don't run it hard. You know, today I was running about 73, 74 mile an hour. I was running down south, went to Braden, and did the same thing coming back. And prior to that, I had been around town a little bit. I can get on a little bit, but not much. But I drive it pretty normal. Prior to that, the best fuel mileage I've ever gotten with this truck is 9.8 miles to a gallon. Call it whatever you want. I don't know, but I know for a fact. I have to do the math again. Whatever 176 miles is, and whatever 14 gallons, even 14 gallons, I think it's right around 12.5, 12.4, something like that. Either way, the improvements that I did to the truck for sure was over 2 miles to a gallon improvement. This truck's basically stock. It does have 35-inch tall tires, and it's got 355 rear gear, but hey man, it sounds good, it looks good, and I gained 2 miles to a gallon. So I'll crank it up, let you listen to it real quick, and then I'll show you the engine bay. We clean that up, and yeah, you know, quick little do it yourself. I think the exhaust, I will tell you this, without a doubt, I can 100% tell you that I feel the power difference in the truck. No questions asked. This truck has way more power, whether it's 40, 50, 30, whatever. You can definitely feel the horsepower difference. So that in itself, it was well worth the upgrade. So anyways, I'll flip this thing around, show you the engine bay, and then I'll show you the exhaust one more time real quick. And hey, this is just pull it in your garage, do it yourself, guys. That's really what it boils down to. I couldn't get the exhaust I wanted done at a muffler shop, so I said, okay, I got online, pulled up FlowMaster exhaust, and hey, they had everything I needed. I said, I can do that. So that's what I did. So anyways, I don't know if you can see, but the smog pump was like way down in there. I changed the belt. You would either, if you leave the smog pump, you got to take the pulley off it because it'll be in the way of the belt, or you just take it all off. I took it all off. I took all the plumbing off. I just got all that crap out of there and cleaned it up. There's a few other things I got to do with the vacuum lines to clean those up, but for the most part, I got them all up out of the way. You can see the headers down in there. Headers sitting right tight. And then, like I said, yeah, we just cleaned it up, put a full exhaust up underneath this thing. And I brought it out the back. Now I'm happy with the pipe that's up closer to the frame now. So yeah, it looks better to me. It's kind of what I wanted. I only raised it about an inch from the last video, but it was bothering me a little bit. So I'm gonna set this camera down here real quick, let y'all listen to it. What do you think, Jay? Think it sounds good?
Oh yeah, my L rock must sound better.
I do like it though. I think it sounds good. So anyways, guys, that's it, man. It sounds better going down the road. It's got a nice deep tone to it, nice throaty sound. It's very responsive. The exhaust was, I don't know, man. I haven't put a cold air intake on it yet, air filter and that. That's one of my next things I'll do to it, but man, what an improvement the exhaust was. Getting that old Cadillac converter off there, getting the old muffler off it. I'll show you them laying right here. We just cut it all off. That's half of the EGR stuff's laying there. And we just had to get that stuff off there and clean that thing up, man. So yeah, you guys got any of these old 460s, big block 460s? Man, they just got them so tamed down. I swear, man, the exhaust system's the biggest improvement on these trucks. But there's a lot of stuff you can do to them, but what an amazing difference. I would like to think that it probably put 50 horsepower in it. It really feels that much of a difference. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and share, subscribe. We got some more videos, got some more content coming. I just did a repair on the steering wheel on the truck, so we'll have that coming out pretty soon. But yeah, just like, share, subscribe. We got some more videos coming out. We're actually working on a truck in here right now. I'll show you this truck right here. Kind of the same truck, but it's got a 7.3 liter diesel. Old Jaden's doing a service on it. He put a starter in this truck yesterday, put a new alternator on her today, changing all the filters. Oh yeah, I put all new brakes on it. It's got new calipers, new brakes. This thing's right tight. We're fixing to get this thing out and do a little boogity boogity. Ain't that what we're gonna do, Jay? Boogity boogity? All right. Hey, boy, you better get that thing off my bumper. I don't want none of that touching my truck. Y'all, I gotta watch Jaden. He's like a bull in a china shop, man. I just came in from the job. He called me up. He's like, or no, I come in. He's sitting over at the front of the truck, got his head down. He's like, for the life of me, I can't get this oil filter off. Jade, how long did it take me to get it off?
Well, you had.
No. How long did it take to get it off? 5 minutes?
It was stuck on there, bro.
Can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. He done knocked a hole in it, got oil all over the place. I had to take care. I gotta watch my little boy Jake. Hey, it was stuck. Don't be getting nothing up against that, dude. For real. I'm gonna get that culo. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, we'll have a little video doing this truck. I got some Edge tuners. Yeah, Edge tuners coming. I had to call in the serial number for this truck for these diesels. I'm gonna get an Edge tuner on it. I'm putting a full FlowMaster exhaust on this truck. I'm curious to see how it sounds, and I'm gonna use the same muffler. I kind of read up on it with FlowMaster. It says you can use it for diesel or gas, so I'm curious how this thing's gonna sound. Of course, I'm gonna take the cat off it. It'll be from manifold back. It won't be from cat back, and I'm gonna put a full 4-inch. I got a 4-inch exhaust for this truck, not 3.5. I think 4 inches is sufficient. I know a lot of those guys got 5s, but I don't know. I don't think you need that, my opinion. Plus, it gets really tight up under there. So yeah, we're going to do a full 4-inch FlowMaster exhaust on this thing. Putting some new filters in it, changing it, got all new brakes on it. That's a great truck, man. It's only got 123,000 miles. The white one I showed you has only got 57,000 miles. These are just, to me, they're just straight up American trucks, man. I try to keep them alive. I like working on them. I like driving them even better. I drove some last night. Sometimes I get in them, just go uptown. Sometimes I make excuses just to drive them. That ain't a bad thing, is it? So anyways, like and subscribe and share. Hit that notification button. Hopefully we'll get some more videos coming to you. I know we've been busy. I know I've been staying up on no videos, but I'm gonna try and get back on track on that. I do got some cool stuff coming. Like I said, I've got some Edge tuners coming. They say, I don't know, we'll see. Justin has a dyno coming. I had told him to get me hubs, build me hubs for my trucks. I like to put a stock truck on the dyno, and then I like to put a truck on the dyno that's got an exhaust, and then maybe a truck on exhaust that's got an exhaust and a tuner. Just cool things. Let's see what the difference is. So yeah, I'll be using Justin's hub dyno a little bit. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that, and we'll see what this Edge tuner is. They say it's 140 horsepower. The max one setting says it's 140 horsepower, and it's 250 foot-pounds of torque. So to put that on that old 7.3, man, that thing will really get up and go with that on there. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty excited. I want to see what it does. So anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go. Until then, God bless, be good, stay safe. Out of here.